the one you have, or is it different?
It's the same.
You have that one?
Yes.
But do you have like a smaller version?
Mm-hmm.
Is it the one that you like made, like put together?
Ito yung service namin from the gate. Papunta dito kasi yung museum nasa kaloob-looban ng Air Force Base. Ang haba ng processing. Dami nilang hinihingi. Magre-register ka. Susurrender mo yung driver's license mo.
They give it back to you later.
Pero ibabalik din naman, of course, syempre. Then, maghihintay ka, pipick upin ka nila. Yan ang pang pick up nila. Excursion, B10. Wala, B10 pa. Tapos, pagkatapos mo mag-tour, sasabihin mo sa kanila, ibabalik ka uli nila sa gate, sa sasakyan mo. Kasi yung truck namin nandun sa gate, naiwan sa gate, hindi kami pinapasok. Kailangan mag-register ka sa kanila. B52 ba yun? That's B52. I-explain ko sa anak ko, ito, PC3. Ang daming binilt nito. Dito ako nag-OJT bago ako graduate. Ayaw niyang maniwala. Sabi niya, no you're not! Kaya alam na alam ko yan. In charge ako doon sa bintana. Ako lahat ng gamit doon sa OJT namin. C-47 Skytrain, Douglas DC-3. Yan, ang pangalan yan. Diyan ako nagtago nung may namarel na babae. Hinahanap niya yung piloto niya ng babae na maril doon sa hangar. Nandun ako sa ibabaw ng pakpak. Doon ako dumapa. Doon ako nagtago habang namamaril yung babae. Sa Pilipinas to, not here. Sa Pilipinas.
That makes sense.
Sa may Villamor Air Base, sa loob ng domestic. Doon kami nag-OJT. Kaya very memorable sa akin to. Ayaw maniwala ng anak ko. Akala niya may-make up ko lang yung lahat ng mga story ang sinasabi ko. Sabi ng anak ko, tinatanong na naman ako, okay, itong isang to, what makes this one so memorable too? Nothing. Except that, nakita mo ba yan? 2468 8 machine guns. Tangina, kahit sumablay ang isa niyan at tinamaan ka niyan, patay ka sigurado, hindi ka makakaligtas sa dami niyan. Hindi mo alam na machine gun siya na.
I thought they were just like there for sure.
Uy, may nakikiray doon, ayun, no? May jebun doon, no? Uy, 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 naka-jackpot, naka-jackpot. Wee, 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 wee. C5 Galaxy.
It looks like Mr. Peabody.
Hindi pala nagre-record kanina. Yan ang kapatid ni Enola Gay. Yung nagbagsak ng atomic bomb sa Japan. Sa Nagasaki at sa Hiroshima. Ito yata is, akala ko B-52, no? It's the B-36 Peacemaker. Ewan ko lang. Classmate, Lyle, tama ba ako? B-36? This is the Marauder.
Very rectangular.
Tingnan yung design ng wings niya, no? Very unique, beautiful. And the other one, yan ang ginagamit pag re-refuel sa mga aircraft pag nasa taas.
That one looks like Mr. Peabody.
See, kung anong kalokohan ng pinagsasasabi ng
No, I'm being
Junakis
serious.
ko.
It looks like Mr. Peabody.
Maraming salamat po sa panonood. At nagugutom na po raw ang Junakis ko. Maghahanap kami ng makakainan.
I wanna go to Cane's.
Hindi ko ayoko sa Cane's. Hindi ko kadalasan ng Cane's. Hanggang sa muli po. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Aray ko! How many visitors do you get a day?
I'm here on Saturdays, so Saturdays we get about, you talking about visitors? We probably get about 30 or 40 visitors on Saturday.
Oh, that's not bad.
But through the weekday, some days we get as few as half a dozen.
Oh.
And it's up and down. It depends on how active school is, the school breaks, and all that type of stuff. So there's a lot of variables. Okay, we have to make it to C-54 is in the Pacific, and that's between basically Bangkok and Hong Kong.
So how long did you stay in the Philippines?
Oh, we just fly the Philippines.
Oh, you
I was
just,
in Okinawa. I stationed in Okinawa for 4 years.
Oh.
So I spent a lot of time in flying to different places. This first 10, 15 years I was kind of maintaining the museum airplanes. I've only been doing this about 5 years. But I've been volunteer at the museum as long as I was active duty in the Air Force, 23 years.
Oh.
There you go.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. And thank you for your service too.
Come back and see us when you get off the duty.
I will bring my wife
There you go.
next time. Have a good one.